Hello and welcome to the episode. Today you join me on a CF MOTO 800 MT. Let's roll the montage and I'm going to tell you what I think about it. Right, there it is, the CF MOTO 800 MT. We have a liquid cool 800cc parallel twin pushing out 77 Newton meters torque. Yes, 77. And that is 95 brake horsepower. That engine is what makes this motorcycle so special. It is made in a KTM factory and it is very racy. What a power plant that is. I'm so impressed with it. So impressed. It does 50 miles per gallon, which ain't bad for a racy 95 horsepower engine. The tank is 19 litres and the bike weighs 231 kilograms. It's ride by wire. We have two rider modes on it. We have rain and sports. You get 4 years warranty on this. 4 freaking years. Built well. 4 years warranty. You know, what manufacturer can back that up? And one of the most impressive things about this engine, the valve gap intervals are 18k. We have two colours. We have Twilight Blue and Nebula Black. And this one is Nebula Black with a nice bit of grey around the front and the side panels there. It comes with those engine guards and spotlights and panniers. All comes with it as standard. 500 quid off at the minute. These are retailing at 8,599 at Lings. They have £500 off, so it's £8,099 on the road. They've got fantastic PCP deals at the minute, so check out their website at lings.com, or you can give them a call and I'll put their telephone number on the screen now. Go see Kevin and say Nick sent ya. So that's pretty much it for the specs. Let's have a little look at the dash, see what's going on in that department. It's a massive screen. The first thing that greets you when you're riding it, which I think is extremely important, you're looking at that all the time, and this is a very nice dashboard to look at. Look at that startup sequence. Right, so we can have toggle switches here. We've got cruise control. Flick through the modes. There's loads of settings on here. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but look at that. It's instant. You've got the nice mileage at the top there, the speedo at the top there. You've got outside temperature, time, gear indicator. Nice little picture of the bike there. It's really satisfying to look at. I love it. We have an adjustable screen. Oh, it's brilliant. And it's nice and thick, solid as well. Let's have a look at the key. There's the key. The key, again. A great key. If we can focus. Can we focus? Come on, phone. Here we go. Look at that key. Nice thick key. Let's have a look at the fuel flap while we're here. I do like to have a look at the old flappage. Oh, it pivots up. Lovely. Oh, I've got that whole bar in the middle that spits all fuel at you. Don't know why they do that. Reinforcement maybe. I don't know, but yes, that's a bit annoying. Push that in. Nice positive click. Spins the key round. Ah, we've got 12 volt ciggy lighter there. Ciggy lighter. It's not a ciggy lighter anymore, is it? And 2 USBs there. Look at that as standard. You know, we pay that extra on some sort of manufacturers, don't we? LEDs all round. Even the bloody spotlights are LED. How cool is that? It looks really nice from the front. I like it. I really, really like it. Comes with engine guards as well. Fantastic. Proper quality panniers. So I'm on the market for a motorcycle myself. Rather than just do videos for the sake of it, I am actually considering this, and It has exceeded my expectations considerably, mainly because of that power plant. It's great. It's really good. Right, so I'm going to jump on it, have a little ride, we can talk about what it's like riding, and we'll catch you then. This is my first time on a CF Moto, and my god, I am so shocked at the quality of this bike. I've owned a BMW GS in the past, a couple actually, and I can just tell the dashboard, the quality, it's not a lot of difference. You would think this came out of a BMW showroom. I love the riding position. You sit into the vehicle, you feel part of the motorbike. I had that connection with my GS, and that is one of the reasons I love that machine. Sitting into it rather than on it. Right, so they sit on the motorcycle. As I said, 5'9", 29-inch inner seam. Bit of a struggle when you've got the panniers on. Stick your leg over like that. You can stand on the peg, but I prefer not to when it's not my motorcycle. No reason why you can't, I just don't. Right, so 29-inch inner seam, 5'9", 16 stone, and this is what I look like on it. I'm on the balls of my feet, it's perfectly manageable, but because you're sitting in the vehicle, it's quite low. It's a really satisfying motorbike to ride actually, because seat height is not sacrificed, and it's a big, large motorcycle. Very comfortable. Nice bending. Very comfortable. We've got a nice bend in the knee, not too acute. Nice upright position. It's where you want to be. I could sit on this all day. Seat is nice and comfortable. So that is what I look like on the motorcycle. The throttle is a little jerky. Quite a nippy little machine actually, considering the weight of it. Got all the panniers on today, which do come as standard for free at no extra cost. You can actually buy this motorcycle in Lings Holston for £8,099 on the road, with the panniers, the crash bars, the spotlights. It's got cruise control, it has got everything you need. It's actually got £500 off at the minute, so check out Lings if you are interested. I'm gonna say it now actually, I think this is better than a Benelli. It really is. Why is it better? Because it's more comfortable, you sit in it. It's very, very, very smooth. It's got cruise control. It's got a nice looking 7-inch TFT screen. You know what the best part is that makes it stand out from the rest? It's got 4 years warranty. It's not slow, it's not slow at all. It feels quicker than a Benelli, quicker than the Honda Transalp that I rode. The seat is nice and plush, nice and comfortable. It literally feels like you are on a cloud. You open up the throttle, it just goes. There seems to be a little power band sort of around 4,000-5,000 revs, maybe a tad bit more. Sort of pulls you on, I'll say that again, it pulls you along a little bit more, gives you that little block, sort of opens up the induction. You can hear the induction roar together with that. I love the sound of it. It sounds, for a stock exhaust, it sounds brilliant. You can hear more of an induction roar, which is good because it's not polluting as such from the back end. You get a nice sound. The rider feels that sound, hears that sound, which I think is very important. See what I mean? You open up the throttle, it's like a... That's very satisfying on the ears, I must say. Oh, it's good. It's a good bike. It's not slow by any means. Considering its weight, 230 kilograms, but you know what? It's a bike you can sit on and go around the world on. You know, it's not, considering that, it's not heavy, is it? Oh, great. This is good. I actually genuinely like this motorcycle. I'm not even kidding. You know, I always say how great bikes are because I don't pick crap bikes. You can really feel that torque. As a result of that, it does make the front a little bit light. It's a bit back heavy. It does want to pull the wheel up a little bit, which I'm not a fan of. But it definitely wouldn't be a deal breaker. Definitely not. Right, so negatives. What negatives do I have so far? Right, the front gets a little bit light when you open it up. But I have got the panniers on. I'm trying to think of more negatives that I can throw at you. The engine gets a little bit hot. I imagine the engine is running quite hot because it's quite a high compression engine. I mean, the slow speed stuff's great. Like now, it's very well balanced. Nice and confidence inspiring, that cliche word again. Plenty of power when you want it. That's it really. I don't think I can say any more. I don't think I can say any more negatives. It's a great bike. Try one. Just if you're interested, try one. Honestly, it does exceed your expectations. It really, really does. These are going places, CF Moto. I can tell by the quality. You can't not. It's a great bike. It's fun to ride. It feels very satisfying to ride. I just thought of another little negative. It's a bit of a pig to throw around corners. I think that's due to the rake angle. It just feels a little bit like steering a boat. I don't think that'll be a deal breaker though. So let's test what it's like. We are going to be doing 60 mile an hour. Let's go in 6th gear and we are cruising at 4,000 revolutions per minute. You can sit this all day. Right. So highway speeds, perfect. No vibrations, non-existent. None in the bars. Wind buffeting is okay. A lot of sort of unpredictable turbulence because it's a very, very windy day today, but I wouldn't say it's that bad considering we do have an adjustable screen as standard. So let's see what it's like overtaking. Knock it down to 4th. Oh, that's perfectly adequate. I was doing 60 mile an hour then, performed that overtake, not an issue. Fantastic. I just wish that it came with handguards. You can really feel that it hasn't got handguards on it, you really can. I don't know if that's to do with the way this is designed, but the wind is blowing directly at your hands. Directly. So imagine in the winter that is going to get pretty chilly. Right, let's test out the cruise control. Right, put it on, set, and that's it. Easy as that. That's how it should be. Nice and easy. Let's just give it another go when there's not a roundabout in the way. Yeah, it does feel a little bit like it doesn't want to turn so quickly. Right, let's get it up to 60, put cruise control on, set. There we go. We'll set it at 54. We go up, we go 55, 6, down to 60 mile an hour. And look at that. No throttle required. That's great. That is a lovely feature. And I do think every single motorcycle should come with that feature. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Lings in Holston. If you're interested in motorcycle, give this a try. You will not be disappointed. It ticks all the boxes. It does what you want it to. So check them out. Please subscribe for more of these sort of reviews. It's all motorcycle content. I do maintenance tips as well. give me a like. If you want to send me a message, you can send me a message on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok if that's your thing. So, having said that, until then, I've been Nick, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Ride safe.